The battle continues over lowering Lake Okeechobee. Every year, the lake is lowered prior to the rainy season in an attempt to prevent flooding along the lake. Normally, the lake is pumped out to the south to irrigate Florida's crops. However, if there's heavy rains flooding the crops, water is diverted and pumped back into the lake, carrying with it byproducts such as fertilizer. Due to back pumping, high levels of phosphorus are now being found in the lake. The health of the lake affects all of South Florida because it is a key component of South Florida's water supply and flood control systems. When there's excessive rain, water is discharged from the lake into rivers flowing east and west. This is causing a big environmental problems along the Florida's coastline. Green muck with the consistency of guacamole is killing fish, wildlife, and tourism. A suggested alternative, releasing water to the south, poses a threat to the Everglades wildlife, including wading birds, fish estuaries, and deer. Doing nothing also poses a problem because the lake fills up 6 times faster than it can be drained. The decades-old dike cannot withstand the rising waters. The impact of phosphorus-rich water being drained is a huge threat to the environment, as well as human health. The algae bloom can cause diseases such as Parkinson's and ALS. In addition, the livelihood of fishermen is slowly dwindling. Lastly, tourism is one of Florida's largest sources of income. With the algae bloom, the beaches and waters are smelly, unhealthy, and unusable. There are several solutions to this problem. Some of the solutions include reflowing water to the south away from waterways, the completion of Everglades restoration projects, and converting communities, especially those near the waterways, from septic tanks to the sewer systems. Florida's water systems is crucial to the livelihood. If we continue to drain the Lake Okeechobee, we are not only harming wildlife and the environment, we are harming ourselves. A solution must be reached if the lake and Florida are to survive. The best scenario would be to build a dike that is sturdy enough to contain the rising lake waters.